All right, I'm here with Boris Voronin. Thanks for joining me today, Boris.
Hey Brian, how you doing?
Good. Can you tell us what you do for EMC?
I started EMC about 4 years ago, and I joined a global solution team. Primarily, my job is to put together, validate solutions for Exchange, and we do that on multiple platforms such as Clarion and Symmetrics. Primarily, my job is to do Exchange validation with our Clarion platform.
Great. So can you tell me about some of the testing that you've been doing lately? You've been spending some time out at Microsoft, is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct. In the last couple of months, I've been involved in a couple of projects that were initiated by Microsoft, and all around Exchange. And it's a very valuable program that I think EMC, and it's good that EMC is participating there, and I think we're going to get very good collateral and information out of those projects.
All right, so the project that you're working on now is around a feature that EMC has called the Replication Enabler for Exchange. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, correct. So the current project that I'm involved is involving using of first Synchronous API for Exchange 2010. EMC is the first company in the market right now that has this solution. Sync API was given to the third-party vendors before the Exchange 2010 RTM, and was basically was given to storage vendors to allow them to implement any kind of replication solution on top of that. So EMC is the first company right now and only company that have this solution, which allows replacement of native network replication, DAG native replication with a storage replication, which is, I think, is very attractive to customers who already have SAN solutions and infrastructure already in place, and I think it's a very good proposition.
Okay, great. So there's database availability groups that ship with Exchange that use this kind of native log shipping, and then the EMC option would essentially, replace that log shipping with the block-based solution?
Correct, yes, it's exactly what it is. It's basically replacing native network log shipping with a storage-based block replication.
But it still retains the database availability group management concept.
Yeah, it is the same database, so it's on the failover cluster framework. It just underlying replication mechanism is replaced with a replication enabler.
Okay, so from what I understand, that's usable across all of the EMC products and platforms.
Right. Currently, I believe it's available, for Clarion and Symmetrics. On a Clarion, it's available with MirrorView Synchronous and Recover Point Synchronous, and I believe it's available on a Symmetrics with AutoStart solution. So it's pretty available commonly, and we have all the collateral and documentation that needed to deploy this.
Okay, sounds like a really cool feature. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, Brian.
All right.